Hi, I am Anand and this is my case tools lab fifth experiment. The experiment is about state chart diagram. There are two questions. The first question is about a complaint registration. An organization's customer may have complained about its products. The complaint must be complaint can be given to the complaint handler through the email ID. Then, complaints can be assigned to different persons and will get tracked to the closure. This is the question. First state chart diagram question is this one. So for that, this is what I have drawn. Here, this is the initial state. From that, it goes to another state. The state's name and its attributes are written here. The name is organization and the enter receive order, enter receive complaint and feedback, exit delivery of the order. These are the things. So and then this next I am giving is the sending the customer complaints to a complaint handler. It is another state. Complaint handler. The complaint handler as synchronization. Because it can be divided into three types. That's the complaints based on the make. That means on its production itself some problem is there. Then the complaints based on packaging and the complaints based on delivery. All these three cases are looked here. If the complaint is handled means then it will goes to the final state, that is the last state here. Then here next one is the if the product is unavailable, product that is asked by the customer is unavailable, and it will check repository and if not available, product unavailable, it will be added to the wish list so that the organization can uh, get that product at the next time when the customer arrives, and it goes to the final state again. The next is about the payment. If it receive complaint or feedback, then we must go for the make payment. If we have made the payment, the process is complete. That means this is the flow final state here showing. If the payment is done, the process is complete. Transaction is done, it goes to the final state. If it goes to the final state, before that here the customer will enter or receive the product. They will check for the product, provide the complaint or feedback. All these things are done to the organization submission state to the by the customer submission state. Customer will ask for something here, like customer will place for the order. Customer will place for the order. The organization checks whether that product is there or not. If the customer give a complaint feedback to the organization, it gives the complaint to the complaint handler, and the complaint handler is divided here using synchronization table to 3, and they will check on which department of complaint it is given, and here thus the final state is drawn. And if there is no complaint, we are placing the order, then delivering the product to the customer. If the product is there, then the organization delivers the customer to the product. Then it goes for the it goes for the product's mail ID. If any complaint is there, the complaint or feedback is given here. Then we are uh, if complaint is there, the complaint or feedback is done here, and then it will goes to the this part. If there is no complaint, it comes back for make payment. Then the process after making payment, the process complete, goes to the flow final state, and transaction done is the final state here. And if the deliver the product to the customer, if the organization delivers the product to the customer, then the product is received by the customer. then also it goes to the final state. The second question is, it is about a patient billing system. The It is a local software system. System can be used to maintain location, bed number of each patient, either in the ward or the ICU. Information about the patient and the charges for the bed are also stored. The patient is also to be billed for the tests taken up, for the medicines given, and the operations carried on. All these things are looked here. For this, the UML diagram is here. This is the starting state. It is a hospital billing system, so I am writing it here like this. Then the diagnosis will be done to the patient. Then the next is the interaction with the patient about their billing. That means the doctor will be consulting to the patient that uh, he must be he must go to the ward or to the ICU if he has serious cases. If he is going to, so here this is a synchronization part. So if he is going to the ward, they will look for the watt, compute the watt charges, and here they will compute the watt charges and charge of the allocated ward. Allocated ward means their bed number. Then addition of the medicine bills will be looked here. A medicine bill will be added, uh, but for this part, ICU part, they will compute the ICU charge. That means all the bills based on ICU will be produced here. And ICU rooms charge per date will be also taken. Then addition of the operation cost. If the operation costs a little bit money, it will be also added here as the operation charge. All this will be then connected to the medicine bill. So because then with this the total bill is calculated, and then check the bill will be checked with by the patient. If the patient is satisfied about the bill, he pays the bill. Then he gets discharged, and there it is the final state. After discharge, he goes the stage diagram goes to the final state. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video.